Hi, hello. I'm Dr. K. Pumudi, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. Now we are going to discuss about the topic types of deposit. In above slide, we have seen what is the relationship between the banker and customer and what are the different types of customer we are having. So now we are going to discuss about the types of deposit. In this, what are the different types of deposits of account we are having? Before going into that, once again I am telling banking is an activity which has been done accepting the deposit from the public and they are lending at the time where they are required. Here we are having a different types of account over here and the different types of deposits over here. It is one of the main functions of a banking. Here we are having a different types. First, now we are going to see about the it is different. This is subdivided into two. One is based upon demand deposit, other one is based upon time deposit. From the word itself we know that the demand deposit means it is withdrawal by depositor at any time without the prior notice. Who is having an account in the bank, who is having a sufficient amount, they can have a amount over here. So that is a deposit or demand deposit account. In the demand deposit account, the features of this demand deposit account is that highly quality and it has been highly liquidity over here. The liquidity means we can convert our cash, our things into easily converted into cash. That is known as withdrawal. That is known as liquidity, can withdrawal at any time. No or very low interest is paid, usually meant for day-to-day transaction. It has been taken over here. So that is a feature of a deposit account. So next, in this deposit account, first account is saving account. This saving account encourages among individuals and it has a depositors earn a small interest lower than the fixed deposit and restricted number of members, amount withdrawal per month and suitable for a salary people and the students, etc. So that is known as saving account. In this word itself we know that it is useful for a saving, so it is useful for the saving purpose for an each and every individual person among the salaried people and the students. Next to that, the current deposit. From the word current deposit, it is mainly for a checking account. It is mainly used for a business firms and traders over here, allowing an unlimited deposits and withdrawals. No interest is paid. Overdraft facilities is also available. Customer can withdraw more than the balance. So that is known as current deposit. Here we can clearly understand that deposit account is subdivided into two, that is known as saving account and a current account, and also we are having a recurring deposit account. It is has a mutual recurring over here, so that is a recurring deposit account. The next thing is we are having the recurring deposit account comes under the demand draft or a time deposit. Here the time deposit, from the word itself time deposit, we are having a fixed period of time and cannot be withdrawn amount before the maturity without any penalty. So that is known as time deposit or a term deposit. Here it has a high rate of interest compared to the demand deposit and also withdrawing only after a fixed deposit 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, etc. and the premature withdrawal allowed with reduced interest. So that is a feature of a time deposit over here. Next one is fixed deposit. In this fixed deposit, money deposited for a specific period 7 days to 10 years, high interest rate, no withdrawal before maturity unless it has a penalty, then the popular for a safe investment. So that is known as fixed investment. The next thing is that recurring deposit. In this recurring deposits, savers a fixed amount every month for a fixed period, earning interest similar to the FD account, that is fixed deposit account, useful for people with regular income, students, salaried, employed. At maturity, depositor gets total deposit amount plus an interest. So that is one of the most important thing. Next is other special deposits we are having. Them is call deposit, cumulative deposit, flexible deposit and foreign currency deposit. Here the call deposit means it has a very short term period over here, can withdrawal an amount on demand, used for a banker and large institutions over here. Next one is cumulative deposit. In this cumulative deposit, interest is added to the principal periodically. It helps to grow the faster and faster. The next is flexible deposit. In this flexible deposit, combinations of saving and fixed deposit allowing the flexibility. So that is a flexible deposit. The next one is foreign currency deposit. In this foreign currency deposit, it is useful for NRI customer held in foreign countries or using a currencies, foreign currencies. So that is a foreign currency deposit account. The next, we are having a simple summary over here about each and every deposits account. That is, the first thing is that saving account, small interest, limited withdrawal. Current account, no interest, mainly for a business people. Fixed deposit, locked for a fixed period with a high interest over here. Next one is recurring deposit, monthly saving, good for regular income people. So these are all the different types of bank accounts we are having over here. So I hope that you are clear about that, who are all the, what is the relationship between a banker and a customer, and who are the special types of customer, and what are the different types of accounts we are having in a bank. So these are all the different types of deposits we are having. Once again, I concluded that we are having two different types. One is deposit account, another one is a time account. In this deposit account, whenever necessary, we can withdraw our amount at a demand, but in time account, we should have a fixed time period over here, or unless we have to pay a penalty over there. So that is the main difference between the deposit account and a time account. And also we are having a different accounts over here. One is saving deposit account, saving deposit, current deposit, fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Thank you.